So a couple of areas of concern here. In order to get the tower power installed, you have to actually include the temperature sensor as part of your rig outside of your pump. But what you'll notice, even though I try to wrap things in as much Teflon tape as possible, it looks as if that wouldn't thread that well. I got them in there as tightly as I could, and we still have some drip, so I'm going to have to pull it off and see if I can re-Teflon tape it. The second area of concern is that even though my burner is about good 4 feet away from my tower of power, the top of the tower of power it's pretty cool. Side is okay, but this side is pretty warm, and I obviously don't want to ruin the unit. So I think what we're going to do is probably build another brace down here. Get some air in there. Build another brace down there, and then move the tower of power down there. So we're about to hit mash temp, which is 152. I don't know if you can see that on the screen. So we're at 149.6. We're not climbing that high anymore. We got a lot of oxygen coming through. You will notice, though, interestingly enough, I did end up putting some more water in. And we have submerged the Blickman, the brewmometer, and that is reading 140 degrees, 142 degrees. But the tower of power, oddly, is reading about 151 degrees. So there's a 10-degree difference there, which either one of these two units is kind of off. So we've hit 152.2, and it looks like we are not stopping for whatever reason. 152.8, 150. We're on auto. Oh, and we just cut off at 153. So it's going to keep recircling. Got our pump going. Definitely that smell of first use where we've got some burnt metal going. And you'll notice that the tower of power, the igniter, has gone back in color. We're going to check things right now to see what may have melted. If there's anything that smells a little funky. It's definitely like a little bit of a burnt rubber smell here, but again, this is the first time that these burners have been used. So we're kind of fully expecting that to be the case. Anyway, we'll keep things going. These hoses, not too bad. They have not been melted. The underside of my polysulfone seems to be working pretty well. And my chugger pump is going. That's a water shield right there. Oh, there's the beep. We're going to stand back. Electric should be clicking. There you go. So click back on. So that was a minute or a little bit of time. Came back up, 151. So it looks like we're keeping in a comfortable 2-degree. Just came on for a second there. So for about 2 degrees, and I definitely smell a little bit of gas. Oh, there's a beep again, backing up. So you get a little electrodes. No, we got nothing. Gas is dissipating. My understanding of reading the instructions, it's going to try for about 10 times. And then after that, if it can't light it, it'll definitely see some electric there. Come on. Plenty of gas. Light. Nope. Well, it looks like we might have to replumb some stuff here. Try and figure out what's going on. But a couple lessons learned here on the first attempt as to what exactly is going on. So we'll get back with you on the next one.